Maria Reina of Bella Cucina Maria in Port Chester, New York. My company is a catering company, culinary instructions, and consultation. I'm going to be making a couscous salad with fresh fruit. I'm going to first take my orange juice and heat it up in the microwave to cook the couscous. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of orange juice, and I'm going to put it in this microwave safe bowl. Into the microwave for 2 minutes. We're going to keep the blueberries and the raspberries whole, but we need to cut the strawberries down a little bit. So basically just pull out the core and then cut your strawberries in thirds or quarters. Once the strawberries are cut, we're going to set them in a bowl while we get the couscous made. Here's our orange juice, nice and hot. So now the orange juice is out of the microwave, and we're going to add the couscous to it and let that steam a little bit. So basically just add the couscous in, give it a little bit of a mix with your fork, just so that you get the lumps out, and then cover it with some plastic wrap. And now we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to make a little honey lemon vinaigrette to go on top of my couscous and fruit salad. So all we're going to do is take our lemon and we're going to zest it into a big bowl. Just zest half of it. And then we're going to take half of our lemon and squeeze it right into the bowl. And then take my honey. And you only need about a tablespoon or so. A little salt, a little pepper. Mix this up with a whisk. And then slowly drizzle in your olive oil. Drizzling in it slowly will help emulsify your dressing. Emulsifying is to pull everything together and make it nice and smooth. Now I have a little bit of mint from my backyard, and mint is really wonderful, but it's very strong, so you want to use it sparingly. So I'm just going to start off with a few leaves, and then you can add as you go. So roll up your leaves, and with your knife, just run your knife through, nice and easy. This is called chiffonading, or to make ribbons. You're going to put your mint in and give it a whisk. So our couscous is done. What you want to do is you want to take a fork and fluff it up in the. So just gently pull the couscous away. Now I'm going to bring it all together. I basically have my couscous, which has been cooked with orange juice, and I'm going to mix it in with my fresh fruit. Give it a nice gentle toss. Then we're going to take our dressing and we're just going to drizzle it on a little bit at a time. This is a great salad for the summertime, for brunch, lunch, or even dinner. Take your salad, plate it. You can even add a few pieces of fresh fruit right on top, a little bit more dressing, and a pretty piece of mint. So here's our salad. Fresh raspberry, blueberry, and strawberry with orange scented couscous. My name is Maria Reina from Bella Cucina Maria. Great food is personal.